and first of all wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So today we are celebrating our 68th Republic and it's like been a huge period since we are celebrating this day, and thanks to all the martyrs and soldiers because of whom we are able to celebrate this day today. So today we're gonna talk about few things which you could only relate if you are a typical Indian. So let's watch the video and please do drop in your reviews if you like it or even if you don't like it. Let's get going. भाई वो बैग कितने का दिया?
750।
अंकल लेना है, थोड़ा रीजनेबल प्राइस बोलो प्लीज।
नहीं हमारे यहाँ कम नहीं होता।
अरे कम नहीं होता मतलब वो बैग 750 का दिखता भी है कि आप कुछ भी बोलोगे चाहिए तो हम अच्छे से पूछने आएंगे, आप कुछ भी बोलोगे, सिर्फ नहीं लेना हमें, ठीक है? जा अरे बुलाओ, Who is not calling? अच्छा सुनो, फिक्स प्राइस बोल दो, मुझे लेना है वो।
हमारे यहाँ पे कम नहीं होता।
अरे अंकल बैग अच्छा है, देखो मैं बोल रही हूँ आप। अच्छा आप फाइनल 150 में दे दो।
अरे बहन जी क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
अरे देखो अंकल हम अच्छा 175 फाइनल, देखो 175 के ऊपर मैं 1 रुपया नहीं दूंगी। 175 मतलब 175, 176 भी ओके 175 बस। अभी ये पैक कर दो अंकल, ये मुझे अच्छा लगा, ये मैं लेके जा रही हूँ। 175 फिक्स। अभी आप कुछ बोलो मत, आप बोलो मत, आप बोलो मत। Who would do this for a bag of 750? Who the F would ask you for 150? Oh, sorry, 175. 25 rupees matter. And if you are an Indian and if you do this, high five! Because we are most proud Indians and no one else could do this because no one else has this talent. So let's be proud of doing this. Cut the bag. What? No, it's not for 175. It was just like for a video. Number 2, the varied religions. Yes, being an Indian, we live in a society where we see different kind of people, different kind of religions around us, and right from Hindu to Muslim, Islam, Christian, everyone. We are surrounded with people with all religions, and we don't only have uncle and aunts, but we have all kind of kakas and mamas and chachas and maushis and mamis and whatnot. And we are so proud to have so many people around us because even if not blood related, we all are connected to them by hearts. And being an Indian, it's also like my interior curiosity to learn all kind of regional languages. I say like all local languages, and I already know 4 of them. I speak Gujarati, a fluent Gujarati. I speak Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, English, and yes, I really want to learn Telugu or Malayalam. Or if you are a South Indian or a North Indian and you stay in India, please do ping me and you teach me a language. My life, my rules, my attitude.
ये आज पार्टी के लिए तो आ रही है ना?
मम्मी नहीं भेजेगी यार. As you saw, yes, the Indian parents are typically like this. I mean, no, they don't have any issues with the girls, but I don't know what issues do they have with the partying late night and clubbing and night outs. Yeah, if I won't say the parents don't send, because most of the parents do send these days to the kids to the parties and late night events. But still, there exist parents who really think like clubbing and parties late night is something not accepted in our culture, in our religion. And I don't know why culture and religion has to come in between every time, because what does partying and clubbing has to do with the culture and religions? Come on. And if you are an Indian and you do face this problem, I do get it, my friend, I do get it. It's okay. Oh yeah, I'm coming for the party now. I'm coming. Yeah, I just...
बेटा, 4 लोग आजू बाजू में देखते हैं, तुम बड़ी हो गई हो, तुम्हारी शादी की उम्र हो गई है।
This is a typical Indian issue every girl faces at festivals or marriages. So yeah, if you spot an Indian girl dancing like this at the festivals, do observe there will be some auntie or her own mother coming and stopping her from dancing that way because she is 20 and she is at a marriage function or at a festival. She might get a rishta. And if you are an Indian girl and if you face the same issue, girl, no, don't be it. So guys, yes, we all being Indians, we walk Indian, we talk Indian, and we do Indian things. And let's be proud of being Indian and doing Indian things. And like there's no shame and no regrets at all. Obviously, high fives to you all. I'm wishing you all a very happy Republic Day once again. I hope you all have a great day. And I'm really sorry for not uploading a video last Thursday. I was really stuck up into something. My week was a very tiresome and a busy week indeed. So I hope that I don't repeat this mistake again. And I keep making videos for you guys because I love you all. And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys next Thursday. Until then, keep smiling and keep spreading the positive vibes. Bye. By people of different religions, different castes, be it from Hindu or Hindu to Hope you all have